Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Let's talk about perfect cubes.
Let's talk about perfect cubes for a moment. And what is a perfect cube? Well, 2 to the third, 3 to the third, 4 to the third, 5 to the third, 6 to the third, 7 to the third, 8 to the third, 9 to the third, and 10 to the third. And respectively, whenever you see 2 to the third, that means it's 8, right? But if you have a perfect cube, if you have an equation that has 8 to the third, you know that's a perfect cube. Okay, so these are cubes here. These are perfect cubes. And those are 8 and 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, 512, 729, and lucky 1000. So each one of those are perfect cubes. Why, do you ask? Why is this interesting? Well, they factor very nicely. And, for example, if you have a cubed minus b cubed, that forms you can factor the sum and difference of these cubes. So that's going to produce a minus b, and that would be a squared plus ab plus b squared. And if it's positive here, it would be a cubed plus b cubed equals a plus b, and then a squared minus ab plus b squared. And so we'll get into more perfect cubes, but you need to understand a little bit about this. We'll do a problem right here. In fact, we'll take the perfect cube 125x cubed minus we'll try 64y cubed. Again, these are perfect cubes. There's 125 right there, and there's 64 right there, and there's our cube. So, since this is the difference of cubes, we're going to use the a minus b format here, a squared plus ab plus b squared, right up here. So, what we need to do is factor out the a and the b values, which would give us, in this instance, because it's 125 to x cubed, gives us 5. So that'll be 5x minus 64y cubed. That would be 4y. Put that in parentheses. And now all we have to do is following this particular format, this one here. We're going to do, since we'll put a over it so that we have a reminder. This is a and b value. A squared would be 25x squared, right? That's a squared plus ab plus b squared. And so that's plus ab, which would be, let's see, well, 20xy. 20xy plus b squared, which would be, in this case, 16y squared. And that would be how we found the difference of these two cubes. All right, thanks.